Today I'll tell you about 6 low competition gigs on Fiverr, and I will tell you how you can start earning on Fiverr by creating gigs on low competition keywords if you have not earned a single dollar on Fiverr yet. So the first low competition keyword is YouTube cover. You can see 1726 services, which is not that much. Not only this, but people are also getting good orders. This person got 225 reviews and ranking on number 1. And remember, not every client gives a review. Think how many orders he has completed. You can also see other people's gigs. People earning a lot of money. If you are a graphic designer, then you can earn money by working live these freelancers. Let's check on this gig. You can see what is YouTube cover and you can do it easily. Number 2. Love letter. If you providing service of content writer, so you can easily earn money by writing a 5-minute love letter for someone. 296 services are available, so you can rank easily if your gig is properly optimized. You can see people getting orders. Not so good, but if you stay online, you can get orders like the guy completed 79 orders, so you can too. This guy is charging $35 and providing a love letter of 100 words. She is doing this. Number 3. Instagram caption. You must have seen that people post on Instagram and write captions like suggest an eye-catching caption for this post. How about if you provide the service and earn money? Only 832 services are available and people getting good orders. You can charge $20 for writing the caption for 4 posts, as this person charging $10 for writing a caption for 2 posts. Number 4. Speech writing. You may know that some people are very fond of giving speeches, but they do not have their speeches written down. You can help them and earn money too. So countless colleges and universities and much more educational institutions. At least every educational institution has a speech competition. So if you can write a good speech, it will be a great benefit to you. 1431 services are available that are not too much. You just have to make SEO friendly gig. You can rank and get the order. Give a look at this gig. She is charging $30 and providing a speech of 5 minutes. Number 4. Instagram infographic. 816 services are available and people getting orders. You can design posts for your client. If you are confused what is Instagram infographics, let me clarify for you. You might see these posts on Instagram and you can provide this service and use Canva to do. So just have to search Instagram infographics. You will find many templates. You can use them and earn money. You can do research related to this. Number 5. Graphic design. It includes flowchart, pie chart, line chart and much more. 291 services are available. Competition is too low, so this is the best opportunity for you to rank and get orders. You can use Canva for this as you did for Instagram infographics. All you have is to search templates from graphic design. You can observe gigs related to this keyword to learn what services others are providing. 6. And last, scriptwriter. 364 services are available and people are getting orders. If you are a content writer, this would be the best keyword for you to rank and get the order. All you have to do is write a script for YouTuber and you can get clients from YouTube also. If you can send an email to any YouTuber and provide him your portfolio and ask them to place an order for an informative script. But do not make mistake to ask for the order directly. Firstly, you have to observe his channel to know his channel's niche. Send him a detailed email about your work. But there is a mystery if you write scriptwriter without any space. This page appears to you. If you put a space between script and writer, so this page will appear to you. So be attentive in doing this. I hope you learned from this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel and suggest a topic in the comment section on which you want the next video. Thank you. Video.